Hello guys, today we are back with another video. Russ, how you doing, bud? Either was, I just want to say thanks for 5 subscribers, and I'm on live sub counter 3 days ago, and I was like, okay, I'm doing good. I had 289 views. And then the next day after that, I saw 50 plus more views. I did not know why I got more views, but I just did. But I made something for y'all. And if I hit 10 subscribers, I might make another one with the same colors. And I will probably give it out to one of my subscribers. So I wanted to make a reward for my 5 subscribers and my 7 subscribers. So I was like, should I do 5 subscribers or 7 subscribers? But I thought 5 subscribers was good. And I'm also going to teach you how to make a gold play button. I just made it right now. Oh, yeah, how to make it is you want to get a big piece of paper, and then you want to put black on the outside. Like on the edges, you want to put black. And then after you put the black, you want to say the equal subscribers. I have like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Just keeps on going on. And then after that, you want to write your YouTube channel in. I read it Tony Franks because that's what it's called. Thanks. Anyways, you want to watch your YouTube channel name. Mine's is Tony Brooks. Which is my dad's account. And then after that, you'll write square. And after that, you want to draw a triangle that's going like that. And then after that, you want to put. This is how I got its goldness. How I got its goldness is you want to get a yellow color pencil, and after you do that, you want to get like a tan one, and then color it over. Then you want to get a I don't know how to describe it, like a golden darkish color. Then after that, you want to get a yellow marker. After you do all that, this is what you get. And get a big piece of paper. Hope you enjoy and love subscribe. 1 like button equals 1 granny spoon. Goodbye.